Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I bring you another simple recipe of how you can make a pawpaw mango juice at home. It's so simple guys, and this juice is extremely nutritious and delicious. I loved it. I hope you try out this recipe. You are going to love it too. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. You're going to learn something from this channel. And for my subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you so much even for those that watch my content. And let's get started on this recipe. I will be using 1 pawpaw, 1 mango and 2 passion fruits. For the pawpaw, I'm going to cut it into 2, remove the seeds gently and then scoop out the flesh, transfer it to a blender. You can see it's looking so nice. So I'm just going to scoop out the flesh from the pawpaw using a spoon and then transfer it to the blender. And this is how I do it. Just like that. Yes, so for the mango, I will cut it also like this, and it's not the mango season yet, but you can still get mangoes from the market, and I'm just going to cut it like that, scoop out the flesh and then transfer it to the blender. Next, for the passion fruits, I'm going to cut them into halves like that and then squeeze out the flesh plus the seeds. Next, I added a half cup water because I wanted my juice very thick. You can add more water or less depending on the consistency that you want your juice to be, and my juice is ready. I'm just going to serve it in this glass cup and it's ready. It's so simple guys. I hope you try out this recipe. If you love pawpaw like I do, you're going to enjoy it, and if you don't, maybe you can give it a try and you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I will see you on the next video.